my God.
Trade Center, bro.
This is Park Street.
It's just this might be the Cedar Chambers.
It is.
Yeah. That's what it's showing up as.
Baseball special to World Trade. Canal Street is next. Thank you.
Why is the door chime so loud? I don't know. Probably not because I need extra time. I don't think I got that.
So I said you asked. She's probably gonna say no.
Yeah, I'm not asked, but I don't think I say yes, but I'll ask.
Once again, this baseball special to World Trade Center. That is the last stop. Next stop is Canal Street. Canal Street, thank you for the eight. Next to last stop, World Trade, next to last stop, St. Clair. World Trade Center, this is the last stop on this train. Once the doors open, all passengers must leave this train. The train will no longer be in passenger service.